Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Jammu, April 12. To create new opportunities, motivate the youth and guide them away from menace of drugs, Indian Army organized a written mock test for Agniveer scheme and a lecture on Say No to Drugs at Mendhar, Poonch District. Pro-Defence Jammu Lieutenant Colonel Devender Anand said, in view of upcoming Agniveer recruitment rally for which written exams are beginning on April 17, a mock written exam was conducted for the aspirants. Quote. A large number of aspirants gave the mock test based on previous year question papers of Agniveer Written Exam. Colonel Anand added that a special lecture on anti-drug awareness was conducted by Vishnu Sharma, gold medalist in Master's degree in Public Administration IGNOU hailing from Mendhar. Speaking on the occasion, keynote speaker Vishnu urged the youth to stay away from drugs and work hard to achieve their goals, Colonel Anand said, adding, all the aspirants present at the event took the oath to never take or support the use of drugs. A chin-up challenge was also organized during the. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.